These days, I am so perplexed. There are many reasons to it. Firstly, when I tend to make content, I don't know what kind of content should I make, whether I should make a short form content or a long form video. I'm all up for making long form videos because YouTube is meant to learn something, get entertained, inspire, and I don't know how you can do that within 1 minute, which is all good. Like, I can do it, but I just like YouTube and long content. So yeah, that's me. Then when I tend to make content, I'm like, will my short form viewers watch this? And if not, how can I convert this into short form? So that's that. So I got my nails done for the very first time in my freaking life. Like, look at this. How pretty do they look? Oh, why am I doing like this? But really, like, I'm a fan of these nails. It took 1.5 hours of my precious life to get these here. I don't know how girls do it. Like, I have so many of my friends, like every once in a month they're going to get their nails done, and I just keep asking them, how can you sit for 1.5 hours just looking at your hands and doing whatever the nail person is doing? Because I went for the first time and I was like, people need to be really dumb to get their nails done and sit for at least 1.5 hours. And yeah, get this. I would rather buy press-on nails and just stick them, but I wanted something new, a new experience. What's the hype about? And I must say, like, these do look good, and especially when you're typing, like, बहुत अच्छी सी feeling आती है. मन करता है कि type करते रहो, even if you don't have anything to type. But I actually like my nails. They look so pretty. The moment I'm doing something and I tend to forget about my nails, I go back to noticing them, like, oh, how pretty are they looking. Also, I've got nail extensions, which basically means कि आपको fake nails लगा देंगे. Like, they'll try to increase the length of it and make you look all pretty. Anyway, I am going off topic. This video I want to make about hair growth. What's my routine like? How do I have thick hair? Touch wood. Wood is exactly next to me, so touch wood. And yeah, just reveal my secrets on how I have good hair, good Indian hair. I'm proud of being Indian and having black hair. I'm not a blonde person. I'm not someone who dyes, colors, or gets any treatment done from outside. That's not me. That's not your girl. I'm gonna do like this पूरी video में ना, ताकि मेरे nails दिखे. पहली बार कराया है. And let me tell you the cost of these nails. I got these nails for 2,000 rupees, Indian rupees, and I mean, once in a lifetime, if you want to do, it's worth it. Or not in a lifetime, but just first time, it's worth it. But I'm not spending so much on these nails. If there is an occasion, a wedding, close function, some get together, yeah, might be. But otherwise, I would rather buy press-on nails, जो 500 रुपए के आते हैं online, or maximum 800, 900, within 1,000 range. And you wear them because nobody can make out the difference between press-on nails and these extensions that I paid 2K for. Anyway, again slipping off topic. तो हाँ, आते हैं मेरे हेयर रूटीन पे. टच वुड, जय गुरुजी, भगवान की कृपा से मेरे बाल बहुत अच्छे हैं. सब टच वुड बोलो, and then I will start making further video. Okay. Assuming all of you have said touch wood and bless my hair, bless your hair, let me reveal what I do with my hair. So सबसे पहले, people who say they don't have bounce to their hair, it's not bouncing even though they've tried like many products, herbal or chemical based, That's because you are not flipping your parting, girls or boys. Like, you gotta flip your parting. By flipping your parting, I mean, for example, right now I have almost center parting, but when I will use this comb, which I do, and I flip my hair in this direction, देखो कितना, like, there's a bounce to it, even though I won't be going for this parting. But do you know what I mean? Because even your hair need to change their direction, they get bored. So basically, this style that I have right now is a boring style for my hair. They are tired of getting center, almost center parting. But when I do this, with this, there's a certain bounce to it. It looks like I've done blow dry, even though I haven't. But just see how much bounce this portion has got. Whereas before, this portion was sleeping because it was bored. Second point after doing the parting bit, you got to treat your hair. Just all of us need a certain treat every week, or for some of you might be after a few days, whether it's going out or doing something creative or just not doing anything at all. Our hair also need to be treated. By treatment, I don't mean those fancy high maintenance treatment where you're getting protein hair or like Botox for hair or keratin. मैंने जिंदगी में आज तक कभी भी केराटिन ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कराया, प्रोटीन ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कराया, एंड व्हाटएवर बोटॉक्स फॉर हेयर, लाइक आई नेवर हर्ड ऑफ बोटॉक्स फॉर हेयर. फेस स्किन के लिए सुना था, टू uplift it or whatever girls get done. But for hair, botox, like, please tell me किसी ने जिसने कराया हो botox. I would really want to know your experience. So yeah, just tell me. Coming back, मैंने आज तक नहीं कराया क्योंकि I was like, there was a point in my life where I wanted to get it done because I was fed up of the frizz and just dryness in my hair. But then I thought I will be wearing off from something which is not natural, and I'm all up for natural. Like, I'm a natural girl. So I have a few friends and my aunties who've got keratin. They're in their like late 50s now, and they're so regretting their decision of getting keratin. They're like, Saloni, only for some months the keratin works, but then you gotta redo it, and again the effects fade off. Eventually your hair become like a jharu, like a broom. So if you want that eventually in your lifetime, go for it. And honestly, the same auntie, she had beautiful long silky hair, but because of like societal pressure and just wanting more comfort in life, she got the keratin treatment, and now I'm sad for her choice, and I think I need to learn from her choice. तो मैंने keratin या मैं कुछ नहीं करा रही ऐसा, ना ही कभी कराऊंगी. In fact, मैं अपने बाल कलर भी नहीं करने वाली, because like things that are natural, things that happen with age should just continue the way they are. अगर मेरे बाल ग्रे हो रहे हैं या whatever, like touch wood, अभी तो नहीं हो रहे, but eventually I know I have to be ready for it. So I'm fine. Like, I am fine to get life on me. तो हाँ, तो treat your hair. That will be my second recommendation. मैं अपने बाल ट्रीट कैसे करती हूँ? मैं 2 weeks once I oil my hair. And how do I oil my hair? I use that, जो चाइना में वो टूल बना है, I don't know what do you call that, massager probably. I use that tool to massage my head, apart from having house help to massage. But when she gets tired, she's like, Didi, you use that massager. So I do that, and I use that massager to oil my hair with coconut oil, castor oil, and कभी कभार एक herbal सा oil आता है जो I'm not sure क्या कहते हैं उसे, भृंगराज, हाँ भृंगराज ही कहते हैं. तो उनमें से मैं कोई भी oil, I take one of them and put it on my head. वो मेरा होता है a picnic for my hair, that we all need a good outing for my hair. Then comes cleaning your hairbrush. I bought this brush just because I thought a change with my hair care routine would be good, but honestly I don't use this hairbrush at all. Sometimes I do when I want a bit of bounce to my hair, but mostly I don't, because now I do have a Dyson which I use regularly. And if you guys want a review on my Dyson, what I feel about it, do let me know and I will make an honest review of what I think about my Dyson. Yeah, so with my comb, I use this comb and I clean it regularly. Like whenever I shampoo my hair, which is once in 4 days, I clean it with soap, normal soap or whatever. And yep, basically I just use this for my hair and not a brush. So cleaning your hair brush or your hair comb is a must for good hair health. Finally, a good hair accessory. Yes, a good hair accessory is super important. There was a time and a point in my life when I was all up for using big claw clips or those small clips that kids used. I did use them when I was a kid, but I don't know now. I'm just like, I don't want any of that. Whereas now I want this scrunchie. It's a silk based scrunchie, and apparently silk is supposed to be super good for your skin and your hair as well. I make half up down hairstyle and I look super cute in that. I've got a lot of DMs telling me just wear that hairstyle, but when you do that Adha wala hairstyle and you tie the silk scrunchie, it actually hurts my head. I don't know if that happens with you as well, but मैंने try किया है and it looks cute, but it's a bit hurtful and you tend to get headaches because of the stretch that your hair feels with this scrunchie. Hair care routine to get these healthy natural hair without any hair treatment. Also, ये lymphatic drainage brush मंगाया. This drainage brush is not just for dry drainage, but also while you're showering, you can scrub your bag or just play around with it. And I am super awed with this because when you do dry brushing, तुम्हारी whole body feels so rejuvenated, and the bristles are also very good. Like for girls, especially the neck region here, it's required. We forget all of this. I ordered this from Amazon. It's got this cute thingy here. Yeah, that is my hair care routine. थोड़ा मैंने body के बारे में भी बता दिया है. So you can order this dry lymphatic drainage brush. It's good for reducing, not having. क्या बोलती जा रही हूँ मैं? Good for reducing cellulite wherever cellulite is present, whether it's your arms here or I don't know, legs, lower legs, stomach पे तो होता ही है सबका. So yeah, just order this and follow my hair care routine, which is treating your hair, changing your parting, oiling your hair, which is a part of treating. What am I saying? Cleaning your equipments and using a beautiful hair accessory just to add a bit of oomph factor to your hair. Touch wood, and you guys will have good hair.